Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Vizio D-Series TV. If you are giving your TV away, returning it, or donating it, it is very important that you do a factory reset so all your personal information gets taken off the TV. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is hit the settings button on your remote. Next, you are going to scroll down all the way to System. Once in System, you are going to scroll all the way down to Reset and Admin. Once you are there, you will see Reset to Factory Setting. We are going to click on that one. Then you will see this come up. It says select Reset to restore all TV settings to factory defaults. We are going to click Reset. Your TV will restart and you will see choose the language for your TV. Now you have successfully done a factory reset on your Vizio TV. That is all I have for you guys. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, consider supporting this channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.